Now in this chapter we are going to see an example tennis ball. So for that I am going to create sphere, radius let's take 40, go to shaded with edges, create a line here. Okay, create a line here of 40 radius. Let us move this line to here. Okay, and let us move this particular sphere. Select this is the center, and move it somewhere here like this. Okay, now I am going to draw. Okay, I am going to draw that particular shape which is there in the tennis ball, on the tennis ball actually. Okay, so let's do one thing. Obviously I will create that particular shape on a plane which will be parallel to the front. Okay, or maybe parallel to the right also. So go to front, and now it will look like this. Now let's create something here. Let us create something here. So I am just drawing here. Okay, first create an arc. Rather, what I will do, I'll first create a line of 40 mm radius. Okay, now go to arc, center point. Let's say this is the center point, this is the start point, and this is the end point. Okay, actually the arc is quite bigger. I don't want 40 radius. Rather, what I'll do, I'll create a line of 40, 20 radius. So go to arc. This is go to center. This is the center point. This is the start point. This is the end point. I think this is quite good, I guess. Or we can scale it a bit. Go to scale object. This is the base point. Scale factor 1.5. Okay, means the radius will become 30 now. Right? Yes. Now create a straight line which is 40 distance. Again create a line which is 40 distance. Okay, now join them. Okay, now move this. Select this, snap it, go to CEN, snap it center, and place it here like this. Can you see that? Yes, you can rotate from here. Yes, I can see that easily. Now what I'll do, go to shaded with edges. Okay, go to surface, go to surface. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll go to project to UCS. Make sure obviously this shape which I have created, okay, I want to project that onto this particular sphere. Okay, so what I'm going to do, select the curve, press enter. Now select the solid. So this is the solid where I want to project. So see, it is projected very successfully. Okay, now let us join that. J enter. Okay, go to 2D wireframe so that I can see very clearly. J enter. Or we can do one more thing. Select this sphere, right click, go to isolate, hide object. So that is hidden. See, that shape is created. Now join them. J enter. Select this, 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 and this. Press enter. So that is joined now. That is joined. Now right click, go to isolate, end object isolation. So it will come like this. Now create a rectangle right here. very small rectangle. Okay, press F12 so that we can see. So it should be at the rate, suppose 4 comma 2, like this. Okay, let's fillet this from below. Go to radius. The radius must be 0.5. Select this and this. Select this and this. Okay, trim the extra part. Some problem is there. It's not getting trimmed. 1 second. So go to fillet. Increase the radius. Let's say 1. Go to trim. Trim. Trim must happen. Select this and this. Select this and this. Okay, now join all. So this is joined. Now I'll take this as path. Now go to sweep. From here, go to sweep. Select object to sweep. This is the object to sweep. Press enter. Now select path. Which one is the path? See, this one is our path. Now the sweep is created. Can you see? The sweep is created. You can delete this. Sweep is created. Now what I am going to do, I'll go to subtract. Select this object from where I want to subtract. Enter. Select this and press enter. Now you can see the tennis ball is created. Yes, absolutely. Okay. Now go to material, MAT, material. Okay. Let's create a material, new generic material. From here, go to image. I think, yes. See, I have just taken a screenshot uh, of an image of tennis ball. So that image I am importing here. Okay. And close it. And you can drag on this. To see, you have to go to realistic. So it will look like this. Okay. Now this one should be white in color, right? Right here, this one should be white in color. So we can do one thing. Let's undo first. Let us undo that particular sweep. So do one thing. Create a new material again. From here, image. I'll select this image, open it and close it. It will be added right here and you can add it. Go to realistic. And this particular thing should be in rubber. So you can select any rubber. Like this. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let us edit this rubber a bit. Select the color a little bit light. Okay. Oops. Okay, fine. Okay. Now what I'm going to do now, I'll subtract this. Go to subtract, select object, press enter, and then select this object, not this one. Go to subtract, select this object, press enter, and select this object, press enter. Now you will see that the tennis ball is created, something like this. Obviously, if you take that image very clearly or very what can I say, very fine, then you can add a very, so my image was not that much good quality, that's why the texture of that tennis ball is looking like this. I hope this is clear. So I used project to geometry, that is project to UCS command to do that.